What's up guys, my name is Technobo here for TroubleChutes, and today I've got a video that's probably going to be the most useful video that you've seen in quite some time. That is, of course, if you haven't heard of this software. And that software, of course, is TreeSize. It'll be linked down in the description below. Simply go ahead and click download. Leave it selected as setup unless you want to download the portable and export it to another folder and run it from there, say a USB flash drive. Doesn't matter what region you download it from, just hit download. After it's done, you can go ahead and run it and hit yes when prompted for admin. I'll hit OK, I accept, next, and there we go, it's installed. I'll hit launch and hit finish. So if you're going to be scanning something like your C drive, it won't be able to check your Windows folder and other protected folders. In order for that to happen, you'll have to click a restart as administrator, and it should pop up automatically if you're scanning an entire disk like C drive. I'm going to continue as is. You can of course hit the Start TreeSize as admin button up here under Home. So as you can see, it's nicely organized, saying which folder is the biggest, with the biggest at the top. It also says what percentage of the parent drive the files or folders are up here as well. So if I would head into Program Files, you can see that Steam and Ubisoft are the two biggest files. Opening up Steam, Steam Apps, Common, you can see which games in here are actually the biggest. Dota 2 is currently the biggest for me at 22 gigs, Counter-Strike, then Rust. Of course, you can go ahead and delete them from here like any other file browser by right-clicking and hitting delete, or pressing delete or shift delete or any combination. You can do basically anything you can in the Windows File Explorer here. To open up a folder to explore in the actual Windows Explorer, simply right-click on the name of the folder and hit open. Then you'll be able to browse the folders as you would in normal Windows Explorer, because hey, it is actually normal Windows Explorer, so it's a super useful piece of software for finding out exactly what's clogging up your SSD, hard disks, or anything else like that. This is a super useful piece of software that I recommend everyone gets, especially if you're finding yourself short on space all the time, or even if you're only going to use it once in a while. It's still incredibly useful to know the name of in case you ever do need it. Thank you guys for watching. My name's been Technobo here for TroubleChutes, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.